Hi, folks. How are you all doing today? So, today we're going to learn about how to create a triangle spiral, right? Or, on the whole, we can say how to create a spiral, right? Let's see. It is very simple. We have seen some other spirals before, right? This is going to be a different kind of a spiral pattern which we will be creating. Okay. So, let's see and understand how to create a triangular or square or pentagon or whatever it is. Okay, you can consider this to be anything. But yes, we'll see how to create that's kind of a spiral, right? Now, let's go to our test lab because we all know to create such kind of a thing, we always prefer using our test lab, right? So, yes, I'm on my new project here. So, we'll just quickly see on how to create the spiral pattern, right? In the meanwhile, if you've not been watching my videos yet, please do go back to my channel, start watching all the playlists, whichever playlist you like, you start with that and start with the first video. Okay. So, apart from that, yeah, if you're new here, you can also subscribe to my channel for getting more updates, right? So, yeah, and I upload content daily. So you will be getting to see and learn so much of stuff, right? Every day. Okay, great. Come on, let's get started, right? So, first thing, what exactly I want to do is I will be setting the length of one side, right? So that we can use that side and we can just increment this length to draw the spiral, right? After turning some degrees, we can actually increase the length. Again, after turning some degrees, again, we can increase the length, right? So likewise, we repeatedly will do the same thing to create a spiral pattern, okay? For that, I will be needing a variable. So I'm just creating, or I'm using the one which is already available here, right? Or how to rename a variable over here is just click on this. You have renamed this variable, right? Just click on it and you can rename it, right? So let's say I want to create a counter variable. You can create counter. I also want, I just said I'm going to create a length variable, right? This is for the length of the side. So that's why I'm creating a length variable. So set length to, let's suppose, let's set it to 50. First, let's go to actions. Let's move forward by 50 pixels. Oh, yeah, I think we can easily start with this length, right? I was just checking that. Maybe we will be using this one now, right? So set length to 50. That means with the 50 length, we are starting to draw the spiral pattern, okay? Now, definitely, we have to repeat, right? So let's go to loops and repeat. For patterns, we can repeat it 100 times, 150 times, 200 times, how many ever times you want, right? So for now, I just will repeat it for 50 times. Let's see. Later on, we can increase, decrease, whatever we want, we can do, right? And we also want a colorful pattern, isn't it? So that's why let's set color to lemon color, okay? Then, obviously, we need to move forward, okay? So move forward by, instead of using length here, we'll have to, instead of using pixels here, we'll have to use length. So I'm just getting length. Okay. Move forward by length pixel. So it is just moving forward, 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 and forward 50 times. But this is not the thing we were expecting, right? That means we have to turn by some degrees. Okay. It can be turned left or turned right. So how you want to draw the pattern, it depends on that. Okay. I'll show you both the things. So first, let's turn right by. We thought of a triangular pattern, right? So that's why mostly we should be giving 120 degrees. So 120 degrees will exactly create the triangle, okay? So like this, on the same line, it will be doing the things, right? So with 120 it draws the triangle, but we wanted the pattern, right? That means after every side it creates, it has to increment the length, right? Only then it can go ahead and then draw the line, draw the next length, right? Or next side, I must say, correct? So to do that, we will go to math. First we'll go to variables. We'll take set length to. Okay, we have to increment the length, right? So to increment the length, you will have to take this, just remove this, okay? Go to variables and get length variable. Set length to length plus some value you will be having to give. So now let's say you want to increment by 1 pixel, then you can write 1. If you want to increment by 2, you can write 2, 3, 4, how much ever you want, you can write that. So first, let's now try with 5 pixels. Oh my God. See? See, it is already creating a pattern. But the thing is, you can't see the thing, right? So it's not having any gap. So that's why, let's say I want to increment it by 10. Okay, now you can see there's some gap, right? So if you want to see this exactly, let's just set width to 2 and set this to 5. Yeah, I hope now you can see this clearly, right? So there is a line starting from here. After drawing the line, what it does, it moves length number of pixels. That means 50 pixels for the first time. Then it will turn right by 120 degrees. Okay. And then it draws the thing. But this time it will increment the length by 5 pixels because we have set length to length plus 5. So it is incrementing. Then again incrementing. Likewise, it keeps on incrementing and it draws the triangle. That's how it's becoming a triangular pattern. Okay. So if you set the length to 10, it starts off at the smaller length and it increments itself. So this is what it is doing for the turn right thing, right? So what if you give turn left? See, it's drawing it upwards, right? I mean, upside down. Okay. So this is what happens. It's drawing the baseline first and then upper one, then like this, like this, like this. So let's run it and I'll just show you. This is how it draws the thing. Okay. For 50 times it is drawing till here. Let's say for 100 times it should draw bigger one. Okay. 100 is so big. Maybe 60 times. Okay. 70 times. Hmm. This is also going outside, however. But yeah, this is creating a triangular pattern here, right? Now, Now let's say if you don't want the triangular pattern, right? Let's suppose you want a square pattern, okay? Square spiral pattern. Then how do you go about doing that? You just have to turn left by 90 degrees. See, it creates a square pattern, square spiral. Okay. Let's say you want to tilt this thing. Okay. So 120 was the triangle part, right? 120 was the triangular thing. This is a straight triangular pattern you're creating, right? Let's suppose you don't want the straight triangular pattern. Instead, you want a little tilted one, right? So then how do you go about doing it? You can either write 121 or you can write 119. Okay, let's check it. So let's check it out with 119. See, it creates a triangular spiral pattern. Okay, so let's reset and run it to show you this is how it draws. And there's an overlap while doing this. That's because it is 89 degrees, right? So that's how it is overlapping. Okay, and not 89, sorry, 119. Okay, now let's say 121. So this is how it looks like with 121. Just a similar kind of a thing, but opposite direction. A little bit of opposite direction, I can say. So this is all about the triangular spiral. Okay. Now let's see the square spiral. Square spiral with 90, you saw this one, right? With 89, let's see. With 89, this one happens. Okay. So a little bit tilted one. Okay. And 91, let's also see 91. So this is how it draws the 91 thing, right? So likewise, not only triangle and not only square, right? You can do this or you can apply this for a pentagon also, okay? Let's do the pentagon thing. For that, you first should know what is the angle, right, for the pentagon. So 360 divided by 5 you do. Whatever is the angle, that will be the thing, okay? So let's just quickly calculate 360 by 5 because pentagon has 5 sides, right? So the angle is 72 degrees, okay? So now for 72, instead of 72, or first let's write 72 and check. This is how a pentagon spiral is looking like, right? I'll just do it 50 times only. so that you can see the thing properly, right? Now, instead of 72, let's do 71. Oh, wait, 71. Okay, this is how the spiral will look like. This is a tilted pentagon spiral now. Okay, now apart from doing 71, let's say 73. This is how it looks like. Okay, so likewise you can vary this and you can do whatever you want to, right? So now this is a hexagon, sorry, pentagon spiral, right? Now let's do a hexagon spiral. Hexagon spiral means you have to do 60 degrees. So this is hexagon. Okay, and instead of doing it 60, you can just do 59 also. So this is a tilted one. Okay, so 61, let's suppose this is another one, hexagon spiral only. Okay, so this is all about the hexagon. Then septagon. So for septagon, that means we have to divide 360 with 7 because there are 7 sides, right? So it's 51.4 degrees. Okay. So that means let's consider 51 as the angle, right? You can do it with 50 and 52 also. Let's check out, right? So let's check it out with 51 first. This is how that looks like. Okay. So let's check it out with 50. So it is a little bit tilted one now. Okay. And similarly, you can also do it with 52. This is 52, right? This is septagon spiral. Now, for octagon spiral, you have to divide it with 8, right? So that becomes 45. So 45, let's check it with 45. This is the octagon spiral, okay? You have 8 sides kind of a thing. Now, so let's do 44. A little bit tilted one, okay? 46. This is another type of thing. Likewise, you can increase this, you can create any kind of a spiral. Okay. So this is all about it, right? If you have any questions or any concerns, you can do let me know in the comment section below. Okay. So today we understood how to create different types of spirals. We saw so many variations of it now, right? So this is all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will be meeting you all in the next session. Okay. Till then, you know what you have to do. You have to keep watching my videos, and I will be getting back to you in the next session. Okay. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folx Hub. Bye bye, and have a great day, all.